Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. What feels better than stepping out of the shower into a huge, soft towel? Not much.
You are going to feel pampered every time you get out of the shower with these luxurious bath towels. Look at how large they are. So the thing I love most about them is I am not a small woman, so when I can find a towel that wraps completely around my body, I'm sold. And not only do they fit me nice, but they are also so soft and so luxurious. And if society and the Lord accepted it, I wouldn't wear clothes. I would just wear this bath towel all the time. But whatever. So another thing that I love about them is that they look beautiful. They come in lots of different colors, but I chose this gray to match my bathroom, and they give the bathroom shelf just a little added bling. I love it. They look so bougie. I love how soft they are. The set comes with 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, and 2 wash rags, and all of them are of the highest quality and so soft that you will never buy another kind of bath towel again. They are also quite durable. I have a family of 4 with 2 kids, and we use these quite often. My kids are not gentle with things, so they kind of have been abused, and they clean up just fine and are ready to use. They still look brand new.
These towels are amazing. They're huge, they're absorbent, they're soft. What more could you ask for? But that's just my point of view.